New York commercial HVAC upgrade, up to $40,000 rebate. Apply now. Including but not limited to churches, warehouses, supermarkets, offices, daycares, nail salons, liquor stores. You may qualify for our $5,000 to $40,000 commercial heating and cooling rebate. This winter, let Hi Tech HVAC Services upgrade your space. Keep customers and employees warm and comfortable. We offer $0 down payment financing. We handle the entire application process for you. Call now 718-969-6888. Visit us 3334 Prince Street, Flushing, NY 11354.